After the Parkland shooting, lawmakers passed a bill putting millions of dollars towards mental health services in public schools.
Oh, yeah, but a year later, I-Team investigator Katie LaGrone found some school districts spending that money on office supplies and travel.
Less than 1 month after Florida's deadliest school shooting in history, state lawmakers responded.
I called on the legislature to give me a bill that will allow us to make our schools far safer.
Approving more than $69 million to schools earmarked for mental health.
It's a huge amount of dollars, of course.
When lawmakers approved this money shortly after the Parkland shooting, they didn't place many restrictions on how school districts could use these funds, only that each submit a plan detailing how this money would help improve mental health services to students.
The law states at least 90% of the money must be spent on evidence-based mental health care to students.
There's many different ways you can interpret it.
Charlotte County Schools was allocated one of the smallest amounts, just over $400 grand, to improve its mental health services. Roughly half is already spent, most on new mental health hires.
For the first time in a long time, we have a full-time social worker at all of our high schools.
But the man in charge of the money here says the law didn't provide enough guidance.
You want to make sure you're spending the money the way the lawmakers intended. You don't ever want to spend taxpayer money in the incorrect fashion.
And what's incorrect to you?
It was crystal clear in the bill that you're supposed to provide direct services to students. Incorrect would be going on to using the money to go on trips, buying furniture for your office, items, maybe hiring personnel that could be deemed not mental health related.
Records reveal other school districts use the money to hire clerical staff, including a confidential secretary to handle student records. While all the districts we contacted have used the majority of their money so far to hire mental health professionals and conduct mental health training, other expenses range from travel and gas to copy paper and computers. One district purchased 20 new laptops for just over 16 grand.
We didn't tell them how to spend it.
Florida Senator Kathleen Passidomo of Naples helped push mental health money through the legislature.
What we said was, you know what the needs are in your community. And all we'd like for you to do is to create a plan.
It's always interesting when districts have new money at their disposal, what they do.
State Representative Byron Donald sees the need to clarify the rules.
Either retool, tighten it up, maybe expand, but you want to make sure that you're just getting the best bang for your buck.
And making sure money to help students in crisis is being used to do it.
I'm not an accountant by trade. I'm not a mental health professional, so guidance is appreciated. There's no doubt about that.
Excellent.
Just need a little bit of it.
School districts are expected to get more mental health funding next year. It remains unclear how much and if those dollars will come with more direction on spending. I'm I-Team investigator Katie LaGrone, taking action for you.